Yeah, my openings aren't the same distance. Let me know if that's bad. Hi, and welcome back. Getting here a little bit earlier tonight. I need to fix the mower. I said I do it on my own time, but we're gone the whole weekend, so kind of need to get it done so we can mow, because we got an event happen next door this coming weekend. You see me looking down, it's a cats are down here and they like to climb up my legs. So anyways, I need to get it fixed so I can mow this week. So I might show you how I'm gonna plan and fix that. And then we're gonna move the Bronco. We're gonna take everything apart, kick panel off, inner rocker off, make that flange, trim it up, see if we can't get it where it needs to be. And then we'll take the screws out up front, put the kick panel back on it, and try to get measurements for the door openings, making sure they're right. And might do some cutting on the top part here, kind of knock that step down. I think I'm gonna cut it across, down and back, and then hammer it flat. And then thinking about cutting that top part at an angle and kind of laying it down, like cutting a pie shape out of it. What this is, I'm already sweating, haven't done anything. But cutting a pie shape out of it and kind of hammer it down so it kind of matches what's originally there. Because I know the fender sets on that, and I don't want the fender to be off up or down because of that. So might do that, and hopefully we'll get this squared away. But we need to fix that piece right up there. Need to separate it and get that where it's gonna fit up against it. Anyways, let's hop over here and I'll show you about the mower and kind of get the piece out. That way we can epoxy it together. And I may have to drill a pin through it. So I need to get that started so I can set up overnight, and then we'll jump to the Bronco. As you can tell, I haven't done really much cleaning on this, but I need to take this fitting off here, and then probably gonna keep this in here, shove it all the way down on that, and then once it dries we'll just put it back there. That's my plan. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but give it a shot. All right, so I basically used 5-minute epoxy, put in the end of that, screwed that back into it, put tape around it so I don't want epoxy everywhere. I'm gonna let that set overnight, and I'll put it back in there, and it should hopefully hold. And we'll try it out. I fixed, I better not do that. Want that to move. Anyways, I believe I fixed what was wrong with this being so loose this way. Just needed the bolts a little bit tightened, but now we're gonna jump over to the Bronco. The mower took a little bit longer than expected. But we're gonna go ahead and pop this off and pop the inner rocker off. I'm gonna try and make that piece back there and trim it up. And if I'm not too dehydrated, we'll move back to this. But as of right now, I'm soaking wet. I got a cat trying to eat that emergency pool. Anyways, we'll definitely get this inner rocker shaped up, and we may mess with this a little bit, but let's go here and we'll start taking this off, taking this back off, and getting that back piece made and trimmed up a little bit. Now I got more questions. The opening from the, let me get back here a bit. From the top here to here is different than the bottom. So, and that's the same way on the pasture side. I don't know how how much I got to play with in order to fit everything right. It's really bugging me. These, to get it to fit right there and where it kind of curves, is not exactly straight like this. It's more leaning to one side or the other. It needs to go that way to be, I guess, level like that, and I'll push that way up in the air. So I don't know if I need to do that, or if I can put the door pillars on and they have a little bit of adjustment that I can bring out or push back and stuff with that. But yeah, my openings aren't the same distance. Let me know if that's bad. If it is, then I'm gonna have to redo everything over there. But we got the inner rocker piece welded on. Okay, that fits good now. We got that piece taken care of, and I think we're close enough we can make that work. And I'm just having trouble deciding what to do with this. I need to look in more into it and see exactly what the measurements are, and if I need to kick this up and make do with the cutting big portion of it right here, trimming it up. If this needs to be just up and down perfect. But if you can play the kick pan or the door pillar a little bit, then we may be able to get away with it. I'm not sure. But anyways, I am drenched in sweat, so I think this will kind of do it for tonight. Well, kind of one of those nights. Didn't really accomplish much. We got the inner rocker good. I think we're pretty perfect on that. Kick panel's giving me some issues, especially the door opening. Like I said before, it's not the same as the bottom as at the top, but I don't know if that's a big issue, like how much I got to play with. But I'm gonna measure the extra door I got over there and see how wide it is. That may give me an idea of what I need to do. But if that's a big problem, then passenger side's another problem because it's not the same either. I probably should have measured before I welded. So we may have to redo this side again, passenger side, and make this kick panel work. May have to kick it up and trim the top of it off, flatten it down where it meets the original part better. But anyways, hopefully we'll be welding soon. I think maybe we'll weld the pan in. It's still level and everything's good on it, so I'd sure like to fit the kick panel before we do that. Anyways, if you like what you see, this is kind of what this channel's about. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Be on the Bronco till we get it done. I know there's be a little bit on the mower tonight, but hopefully that'll hold and we can move it out and we'll have more room in here. But anyways, thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.